Let's go.
Where's your ball? Yes. Yes.
Good. Steady. Let's go. Once you've done it a few times, you'll be alright.
Lillie,
That's it, Pup.
Lillie, what's this? What's this, Lillie? What's this? Look.
There's a ball over there.
That's it, Bubba. Good girl.
And then back. That's it.
What's that?
That's it. Can I see this one? This way? That's it, mate. Good girl. Ready? Yes. That's it.
Good girl. Good.
Oh, you're on the same ones.
What will you do, Leah? That's it, Bubba.
Yes.
Good girl. Perfect.
Well done.
Oh, she's like, I don't like that ball.
Right, let me have a little cuddle on the ramp. You all right?
I love it so much.
Go it again. Up good. Let's go. Yes.
Are we having fun? Yeah, pick one.
Is that a better one?
Yeah.
Oh, we like that one.
I don't think she. Oh no, she spat it out. I thought it was the spiky she didn't like. What about tennis ball?
It squeaks at home because it's quite irritating. Good girl.
Is that better? Oh, I think she might like a tennis ball better. Yeah. Leah don't know what she wants to do.
Are you having that?
Oh, nice service.
She's just not happy to people around, I
Yeah,
think.
yeah. Good girl.
Hey,
Oh, crash.
That's it.
hey,
Maybe
Lillie,
I'll see
Lillie.
this. Good girl.
You like just swimming, don't you?